Come on. Come on, roll over, Joe. Roll over. Nope. Roll over, buddy. Come on. Oh. Oh. Just like that. Come on. Roll over. Come on. Oh. Oh no. Alright, I'll give you half for trying. You just wait. God, these things smell bad. Come on. You got a little bit more. You just
3
gotta
seconds.
roll over.
It all happens live on pay-per-view Saturday, April 10th. The Forecast replay starting at 9 p.m. Eastern the same day. And don't miss the UFC 112 preview on demand in the sports and fitness section under UFC, WWE, and boxing and select pay-per-view previews. HBO subscribers automatically get free access to HBO On Demand. Enjoy many of the new HBO programs, hit movies, and original series each week, anytime you want. Available this week, Clint Eastwood stars as a disgruntled veteran who unexpectedly bonds with his immigrant neighbors in Gran Torino.
Very nice features.
Really?
My other one.
Coming out. How about you?
Servo.
That would be cool. Just do a
Servo
couple
and Solomon.
together. Because I'm sure I could learn from you too.
Servo and Solomon.
See, it's easier because I have a drip phone.
Oh,
You know, just like hold it up and I'll do that noise and they'll have to stand up.
Okay, yeah, that's
Servo,
awesome.
huh?
Have you ever seen
We have a lot of education materials too, don't we? For
Mystery
people that are
Science
just
Theater?
interested.
There's a robot on there that is just out of the world crazy, and that's it.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the
We
one.
call
Are you
him
the right kind of
Solomon
fairs?
because
That's
he's
what I
always
want.
so
Because I hand out a
calm
lot
and
of those. Because a
focused.
lot of people just are clueless. One lady was going to adopt one.
Interesting.
And then she realized.
You wouldn't forget your 16th birthday. Oh my gosh, that little girl's turning 14. 16.
Well, I am off to buy the perfect present. Maybe she'd like a suit like this.